Hi guys, my name's Chris. I work for North County Council Youth Voice and Creative Engagement team. I know this is a really hard time for everyone at the minute, so what we thought we'd do is just create some quick videos for give you something to do at home in terms of some arts activities. So today what I want to show you how to do is do some very quick tie-dye t-shirts. I've got my little helper with me, Harry, and my eldest Leo, and hopefully I'll get them to talk you through how we do these tie-dye t-shirts. So what you'll need for your tie-dye t-shirts is ideally something to put on the floor, either a tarp or just some kind of cover for the paint. You won't need a rugby ball like Harry's demonstrating. We don't need that for this activity, but there you go. You'll need a white t-shirt. I've got one size 5, one size 3 for my two little boys. And what we'll need is just some paint. I have some fabric paints here. And what I've done is just put a bit of paint in and top them up with water so they're nice and loads of liquid, so nice and easy to come out. And what we're going to do is put them in the t-shirts. If you don't have fabric paint, don't worry, you can get away with using acrylic paint as well. That'll be absolutely fine. So there's a few different techniques to tie-dye t-shirts, and we're going to talk you through them as we go. Okay guys, what I should have mentioned also, you're going to need a range of elastic bands for your t-shirts, because what we're going to do is tie them around it, and that'll give you different compartments to put the paint on. So the first technique, which myself and Harry are going to demonstrate in a minute, is we're going to scrumple the t-shirts up just into sort of a nice big ball really. What we're going to do is just start wrapping the elastic bands around the t-shirt. So this could get very, very messy. Harry's going to roll his sleeves up. If you don't want to get the clothes mucky, obviously use old clothes when you're doing paint and stuff like that. But if you don't, dead easy way to make an apron, homemade apron, is get a bin bag, cut a hole in the top, hole in the sides, and you have got a lovely homemade apron. Voila, look at that, absolutely gorgeous. I'm sure you imagine. Okay, so once you've whacked loads of elastic bands around it, we've got to paint Harry, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, come here then. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the tops off our paint, and we're going to start just dribbling the paint on different parts of the t-shirt, okay? Harry, you going to do the same? And then once you've done, wait, watch out the way of the camera. Once you've done one, what you need to get is just a freezer bag, a plastic bag, just to seal it in until it gives the dye time to set in the t-shirt. If you give that a couple of hours to set nicely, the dye will have soaked in, and then we'll be able to get it out and see what it looks like. Okay, so we've got Harry's very orange t-shirt into a freezer bag, just letting the dye set there. And now we're going to move on to Leo. Leo has chose against wearing the lovely bin bag apron. So we're going to try and get the tie-dye spiral effect. So what you need is a wooden dowel or a wooden spoon or something. And what you're going to do, and what Leo's going to do now, is start to twist the spoon and turn it so the t-shirt crumples up into sort of a twist. So there you are, get down there Leo, nice one, keep going. Nice and hard, push it hard into it. And so it just turns and turns and turns. Okay, stop there Leo, thank you. And once that's done, this should, once the paint goes on, give us that nice twirl effect that we look for in the tie-dye t-shirt, okay? So Leo's starting to put his elastic bands just around his t-shirt now, just all over, different ways, different sections, just so when the paint goes into it, it sort of separates all the colours nicely. Again, we're going to be using yellow, blue and orange. Which colour are you going to use the most of, Leo?
Blue.
Blue, excellent. Harry's t-shirt is looking extremely orange, so let's have a blue one. Okay, so once all the elastic bands are on, what we're going to do is the same as Harry did, is pour the paint on all the different compartments. Okay, once we've done our t-shirts, we'll just give them a few hours to sort of rest, let them dry. So okay, we're going to take them out of the bags, and what we're going to do, I've got a bucket of cold water here, and warm water, sorry. We're going to dunk them into the warm water, sort of rinse them through, and then we're going to put them into another bucket of cold water, just to seal the dye. Once we're done, what we're going to do is just let them air dry, and then once they're all dried, we can put them through the washing machine, but please don't put anything in with them for the first wash, otherwise you're going to have a lot of tie-dye clothes. Okay, so just going to dip it in there. I'm going to take the elastic bands off just as and when, as they go, okay? You can just try and do one at a time so we don't mix the dyes too much. Oh, it's going okay. And here we have a finished product. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Keep safe out there, guys, and hopefully we'll see you soon.